the way India's won the first test match, we can see that Australia is cornered. Now, India had a very good chance today. Because, Australian boys develop was faster. But now you see, Indian boys are big, strong lads, But
5 sixes in the middle of his angle 6 no.
This is you talk about Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Aish Matre is a brilliant player. The kind of talent that's coming through is unbelievable. No country can match us.
Hello and welcome to a special edition called Cricket Predictor. We are live with former Indian fast bowler Atul Vasan with us. Atul, welcome to the show. Quickly, what do you think of India's journey in the second test match, day one?
I think it's obvious, we have seen, but it's a long way to go in this test match. Paintball is a different beast altogether. So we can't predict, but the way India's won the first test match, you can see that Australia is cornered. Now, India had a very good chance today.
Yes.
So actually just put the foot on the neck and press it further. We let them out of the chase.
Squandering is...
Squandered because just 69 for 1.
What is the cause for the...
Cause for this is it. Yes, some of the players are playing that ping ball test for the first time. But it's happened many times. Yeah, and you can't put a finger on it. It's just maybe overestimation about your shot making ability, this hangover of baseball, something, where nobody is invested enough, nobody is patient enough, nobody is boring enough to go for ugly test cricket batting. And they just want to just be like, emphasize themselves.
Well, for the benefit of the fans, we're going to come back to your term called ugly, dirty cricket.
Ugly, dirty cricket, sara do. Khadus, batting, रुला दो मतलब कि बंदा तो इतनी दूर से मार के he's coming from 30 yards, far bowler.
Yeah.
How about you just Cheteshwar Pujara? You want to kill yourself. He just keep on blocking for an hour and you come from far. And I love anybody who's trying to play shots. Unless you are gifted like Virendra Sehwag, who gets away with more often than not, you will definitely get a chances and the catches go to hand. So, but some players actually feel that this is the way they're going to get out of jail. It is not going to happen. If you just bat, can you bat for one session, 2 hours? Just give me 10, 20 runs, but don't get out.
Rahul Dravid very famously said that there's madness in those 30 minutes where you lose out on 30, those cluster wickets.
Yeah.
It is that madness, brain fade.
Yeah, and see, one of the guys who's well set gets out. Like we were 69 for 1, we were 69 for 2. So that makes them that hard work went to waste.
Yes.
He squandered his investment in that innings, right?
Yes.
So you don't mind getting out at the 5 or at the duck. You mind when you are in the 20, 30s and then getting out. That hurts more because you did that work and now it was time. You gave that 1 hour to the bowler. Now it was time for your 1 hour to come. But that time you feel, okay, no, I have just got to clean through the covers. I should look good. My IPL franchise are watching. How can I play at 30 strike rate, I'm supposed to play run a ball, So then, people will notice and they say, I might get the stigma of being a boring batsman. All these things undermine the commercialization of it because so that's why I always maintain that you should not have too many players straddling formats.
We're talking about the batting here, of course. And with your expression, it seems that you're equally appalled by the shot selection. But more,
what says New Zealand beat us 3-0, yaar. So that hangover is still there. And I still cannot believe that happened. I just feel that it's a nightmare. I'm going to wake up and it would never have seemed that it never happened.
Absolutely.
I feel. Yeah.
We'll take a step back and come back to your this thing. Do you think we are decoupling from the old traditional way of cricket and trying to get to baseball?
We'll try to see. So there is a
halfway test.
Halfway house. When you get released from jail, you don't go home. They give you a halfway house. So at least reach halfway house. It's not jail or your home. It's not Vegas or Karol Bagh. There has to be somewhere in the middle like Dubai.
Well, this is Cricket Predictor and we are coming live from Dubai where Atul Vasan has come for cricket commentary assignment for the Under-19. Let's talk about Under-19 cricket match. India's team. Do you see faith in the team that you saw?
I'm very impressed. And then Under-19 level India, I remember playing Under-19 for India a long time ago.
Yes.
And it just started, we had a test series in Australia. And remember, we were like tiny boys and didn't play that match. Our captain was Sabakari. And Australian team was Tom Moody, Craig McDermott, or Rifle. They were like twice our size. I still remember. Because, Australian boys develop was faster. But now you see Indian boys are big, strong lads, because of system, because of NC system, because of your, cradles. Because this is the conveyor belt is so robust in India that no talent can slip out. And I think we have become better because our skill set was always there. It's our fitness levels. We have matched the world. And power hitting, we are right up there now.
What about the skill part?
Skill part is still better. But temperament-wise also, I'm so impressed. Because compared to Sri Lankan boys, Pakistani boys, Bangladesh boys, Indian players are captain Mohammad Aman, a superb guy. He's the way he farms his stride, he's the ideal player to play one-day cricket for India. He's superb. He's like in the middle, Tendulkar like as well. Like, he can, because between 10 over and 40th over, this is so boring. You need players like him who can farm the strike, single there and there. You don't need superstars. It's a team.
Talking about the team, let's talk about the opening pair. One is someone who's been in the public glare in the last 1 week. In a second, just take us.
Yeah, so you talk about Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Ayush Matra. Ayush Matra is a brilliant player. He's already got 200s for Mumbai. Already in the first half wicket. You can see that he's classy. Even the Andre, the batsman, we've got Karthik KKP, who's a brilliant batsman and a beautiful leggy. And he's bowling the good, he's picking wickets. Hardik Raj, wonderful leg stopper. So we've got his, and I've been closely watching them for the last 1 week now. I never knew their names. I interacted with Sairaj Gautare, Rishesh Kanitkar, two of the most wonderful coaches, ideal guys to be with the team, sensible boys. They've kept them on the straight and narrow. And these are the kind of role models you need who can give you mentorship. So I think Vaibhav Suryavanshi, everybody's talking about, I'm amazed how can somebody has that kind of power at 30. It is amazing. 5 sixes in the middle of his angle of sixes. No, the approach to feel that he can play it and just going for the shot is what comes out. Some more often than not, you might get out. And if you have done something big in the past, you will get that extra leverage. But audacity of him, just to go for the shot. This is a flicking the ball for 6 foot, 13-year-old boy. How does he get this power? How does he get this mentality? How does he get this bravado, this kind of charisma to actually come and think that he can do that? And he's done that.
Well, I'm going to ask you, what were you doing when you were 13? I can't remember what I did.
I was doing nothing actually. I was flying kites, playing marbles. That was Urdu. And not stunning. For sure.
What we saw today was completely different from what we used to see right now. Does that give you a sense of satisfaction that India is in the right hands?
India is a super place. The kind of talent that's coming through is unbelievable. No country can match us because the numbers hai. If you I'll give you an example. It's a dark humor. So when you've got a problem, serious problem, health problem, so no matter what you do, which is the best doctors in the world, if you go to All India Medical Institute, you will be safe because the number of sample size, each doctor has got a sample size and a timeline of thousands of patients. His database can only matched by the best of the best doctors who don't get trained in America. So this is my point. So इतने लड़के आ रहे हैं कि कोई ना कोई तो बढ़िया निकलेगा और दूसरी दुनिया में कोई बेटर टीम मैच नहीं कर सकती. End of story.
Absolutely. Well, that was free-flowing Atul Vasan in the middle of midnight, right from Dubai, where he's come from his commentary assignment. This is Cricket Predictor, special episode talking about the second test match between India and Australia.
Let's hope we have a better day tomorrow. Tomorrow's our off day. I would have this bag and watch the match all day.
Well, that's what he said, and that's what we believe, all the fans. This is Sunil Yashtala signing from Dubai.
The way India's won the first test match, we can see that Australia is cornered. Now, India had a very good chance today. Because, Australian boys develop was faster. But now you see, Indian boys are big, strong lads, 5 sixes in the middle of his angle of sixes. No. So you talk about Vaibhav Suryavanshi and Ayush Matra is a brilliant player. The kind of talent that's coming through is unbelievable. No country can match us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.